Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the features of the Lekufee waterproof hard case, the ultimate travel companion for your GoPro Hero cameras and accessories. Designed with a custom double-layer EVA foam insert, this case snugly fits models from the GoPro Hero 8 to the Hero 13, along with the Media Mod, Volta, and other essential accessories, ensuring everything stays organized and protected. With its abrasion and impact-proof PP outer shell, this case is not only waterproof and dust-proof but also built to withstand harsh environmental conditions, making it perfect for outdoor adventures like hiking, skiing, and water sports. Despite its robust protection, the case remains lightweight at just 2.4 pounds and compact enough to easily fit in your backpack or handbag, with dimensions of 10.8 by 4.3 by 8.8 inches. The internal elastic sponge and custom EVA foam inserts provide anti-impact and anti-scratch protection, giving you peace of mind that your gear is safe during travel or transportation. Plus, with a worry-free 12-month warranty and friendly customer service, Lekufee ensures you're covered for any issues that might arise. Remember, this case is designed to protect your gear anytime, anywhere, making it an essential addition to your GoPro kit. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.